Hello everyone, welcome back to Germanic Science. Today we are diving into something fascinating called the Helicobacter pylori, or as we often call it, the H. pylori. This tiny bacterium is one of the most talked about bugs in the world of medicine. Let's break it down for you step by step. First of all, what is H. pylori? The H. pylori is a type of bacteria that live in the stomach. Yes, you heard that right. It lives in the stomach. Well, most bacteria will not survive the harsh acidic environment of stomach, but H. pylori has a special trick that helps it to survive there. Why is this guy so important? Notice that the reason why this tiny bacterium is important is because this guy causes a lot of problem. It is one of the major culprit behind the gastric ulcer, peptic ulcer, and stomach cancers in some cases, but few cases actually. But here is the interesting part. There are a lot of people that are infected with H. pylori but do not get sick. Many have it in their stomach and they don't even know. In case you are wondering, since the stomach is acidic, full of hydrochloric acid produced from the parietal cells, and we said those hydrochloric acid, they help in killing harmful bacteria, particularly help in activating enzymes that digest food, and also help in breaking down the food particles. So how does this guy, which is the Helicobacter pylori, survive inside such acidic and harsh environment? Notice that, we all agree that the stomach is full of hydrochloric acid, which is super acidic and usually kill bacteria. But there is just one thing which you need to understand. This guy, which is the H. pylori, produces an enzyme called urease. So the enzyme breaks down into ammonia, and that is a compound found in the stomach. What this ammonia does, it simply neutralizes the acid around this bacteria. When it does that, then the H. pylori can survive and be able to multiply. So, and another important question is this: how does it spread? Notice that the H. pylori spread through contaminated food, water, and even saliva. Basically, maybe let's say through kissing. So this is basically what I'm trying to explain. It can actually pass from one person to another, especially in places with poor sanitation. The H. pylori releases an enzyme which is toxins that damage the lining of the stomach, and oversecretion or production of acid causes inflammation, which causes the gastritis, and which causes the peptic ulcer, and also causes the stomach cancer. What about the symptoms of the H. pylori? Notice that not everyone has shown symptoms, but when they do, the symptoms include stomach pain, especially when you are hungry, nausea and vomiting, bloating or burping a lot sometimes. So, and sometimes there might even be blood in the stool or vomiting if ulcer develop. So this is it for this problem. I hope you find it helpful. Please, if you do, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. But another just last question before we go: how is this problem diagnosed actually? So notice that doctors use several tests to detect H. pylori. We have things like the breath test, stool test, and endoscopy. And treatment of H. pylori infection can be treated effectively with what we call the antibiotics. In case you understand how antibiotics work, I'm also going to drop a link down below in the description section, which we said there are some that inhibit the production of protein, some inhibit the production of DNA synthesis, and some they target the cell wall and the cell membrane, etc., etc. And notice that the H. pylori can be treated effectively, as we said, and the treatment usually involves the antibiotics to kill bacteria, and also the proton pump inhibitors, which is the PPIs, to reduce the stomach acid and allow the stomach lining to heal. I'm also going to drop tooling, which is the PPI inhibitors and then the antibiotics. So this is it for this problem. I hope you find it helpful. Please, if you do, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Thank you and see you next time.